Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today, Lockout Tagout Tuesday. We've got this beautiful little Brady. It's made by Avis. It's a little It's 32 by 35. Got a little 4.7mm shackle, and it works really well. Dead shackle, dead core. We shall give this a go. And I'm going to try and pick it in hand. Oh, there's the bedding. Did you see it? Oh, I don't know if you saw it. There we go. So I'm going to try and pick it in hand without knocking the camera too much. And yes, we are outside in the sun again today. Go on top of the keyway, just going to try and wedge that in there. Now, to do this over the top of the camera and under the camera, this will be interesting. Okay, are we in frame? We're in frame. Alright, hugging the camera a little bit here, so might end up banging it a bit. So let's go. It's a 6-pinner, and it's a very tricky pick. I've been trying to pick this all week, only succeeded sporadically. There's no consistency. I even looked up how to do binding order and couldn't even figure that out. As I click on 2 or 3, click on 4, nothing on 5, nothing on 6, no, go back down, 5, 4, 3 is binding, 2, 1, and the neighbours have started up their music. Why is it every time I come outside to start filming, the neighbours decide to get noisy? This is just jinxed. Okay, getting clicks everywhere. Don't know if that's the warding. I think it's got that Avis word for its warding. I'm using me Daz Evers Mikado handle pick for this. Oh, come on, you know you want to. Okay, there's movement on the core. There's the neighbours having a chat about lunch, and they've just started their shower. Why is it they do this every time I come outside? How'd you get that? Okay, going back for number 6 again now. And tension varies as well. I've done strong tension, really light tension, medium tension. Can't work out what it wants. It's a very individual kind of a look. So I hope you'll join me on Lockout Tagout Tuesdays, where you can show off your lotto locks. You can pick them, you can pull them apart, you can tell us about them. You can even do a show and tell. Just show us your collection of lottos. I know a lot of you pickers out there do collect lotto locks. It's not always about getting the pick. This one might be an attempt video, not a success. So as you know, picking on the lounge, in front of the telly, relax, is quite different than picking for the camera. Oh, picked number 3 and it just... This one is open. This one you can turn to there, it has its own stop, you don't have to worry about it spilling its guts everywhere. That is just fabulous. Oh, very happy with that. This one has the special kind of shackle, so it doesn't... Oh, I didn't get that out of frame, did I? Oh, I hope all that was in frame. That one's got the special kind of shackle that doesn't allow it to conduct electricity. It's a very nice padlock. Thanks very much to Jake1973 for sending that one to me. I really enjoyed trying to pick this all week. Thanks for joining me. Lockout Tagout Tuesday. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.